Hello everyone, this is Larry with Larry the Computer Guy. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So today's security tip. What is the number one way a hacker will get you? We've talked about this before, but a weak password is still the most common way hackers can break in. 87% of theft is caused because of weak passwords. These hackers now have sophisticated brute force attack software readily available where they can hack tens of millions of possible password combinations per second. This software can guess an 8-character password in under 3 hours, and this software, if you use all lowercase numbers or letters, can break your password in 11 seconds. So you know you need to have a better password than password 123, let me in, etc. What is a better password? Well, it should be at least 12 characters long or longer. It should have a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols that are hard to guess. You can use a passphrase like "my dog has one green ear and one red eye." That also works. But you want to stay away from easy passwords, short passwords, passwords that are made up of words that are found in dictionaries, because hackers have those dictionaries also. Make sure you're not using your birth date or anything that you might have put out on social media in your password, because again, hackers can see your accounts and they can use that information to try to hack you. Very, very important that you make sure you have strong, secure password. Even though password #123, for example, would meet password requirements, it's still not a strong password because it's easily guessed by hackers and it would be found in a dictionary. Remember, hackers have sophisticated software that runs 24/7, 365, and their sole purpose right now is to breach you. Keep that in mind. Use a password manager. Use strong, safe, secure passwords. Reach out to your IT company or reach out to us if you need more information on how to create those passwords. Have a great, safe day.